Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about an exclusive new product that we've helped develop that is a parking brake relocation bracket for the rear of the C8 Corvette. And this is going to facilitate fitting this beautiful Brembo big brake kit at the back of the C8. Now we co-developed the Brembo brakes with Brembo. They measured our vehicle and we put out the video that we made about the front system where we complained about not having a rear system. Then later on, we worked with them to develop the rear system and we put that video out. But the problem with that now for most people was that it eliminated the rear parking brake. Now for us, that wasn't a problem. We've been running this Corvette for 5 months. We don't mind the message on the dashboard. It doesn't bother us and it hasn't affected the car in any way. But I understand why people don't want that. And there's a lot of people out there that have been waiting for exactly this to come along. So working with one of our awesome customers and a machine shop, we've developed a custom parking brake relocation bracket that's made out of aircraft grade aluminum, motorsports quality level product here. And this essentially relocates the parking brake so that it will work over this much larger rotor. Now the difference is this rotor is also thicker. So the kit comes with the 2 shims that you need to mount over this plate to widen the caliper to go over this new wider rotor. And it works with either the M6 system and its 32mm rotor. It also comes with a second thinner shim that will expand it to work with the 34mm that you'll see on the system that we're looking at right here, which is that BM6 Alien Fist caliper. Now it's also worth mentioning that to disassemble this parking brake caliper, you're going to need a socket that you probably don't have in your set already. It's a very strange 5-point Torx Plus 16 EPR. We didn't have it and we have a lot of tools here. So we had to go out and get that. It is available on Amazon and we can help you find that tool as well. That is then going to simply mount onto the vehicle by putting the bracket in place of the original parking brake mounting points using new hardware and then mounting the parking brake to this bracket. It's very straightforward install. It took us about 5 minutes to put it on this side. It'll take 5 minutes on the other side as well. And that's going to then fix that problem. You're now going to have a fully functioning parking brake. The car is going to be happy. It's not going to send you nasty messages on your dashboard. And then of course, you're going to get that massive improvement in braking performance, which is actually critically important on the C8 Corvette. This rear system is so important because there's so much weight over the rear. We warped 3 sets of rotors without these, and now we've had no problems whatsoever. So if you're ready to buy the big brake kit, we'll put links to all that in the description. And if you want to learn more about this parking brake relocation bracket, there's a link in the description. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com and you can reach us there on live chat, or you can always call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO, which is 833-668-6767. We've helped a lot of customers get their big brake Brembo kit on their C8 Corvette, and we'd love to help you as well as any of your other needs for your Corvette or any of your cars. If you need something to watch next, check out that video about the front Brembo system right here. Thanks for watching.